How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough and welcome back. Today's video is an early look at a Nike SB colorway that is yet to release in the United States. So big thanks to Sneaker Knockers for hooking me up with this pair to review for you guys. And I'd also like to give a big thanks to today's video sponsor, which is Reshoevn8r. Now I wanted to take a second and highlight a new product from Reshoevn8r, or a new bundle package. You can actually now get a 3-brush kit, which you get the soft, medium, stiff bristle brushes just by themselves. You don't have to get a whole cleaning kit. You can get the brushes all by themselves. So if you need new brushes, if you've worn out your old ones, this is a great way to upgrade without having to spend too much money. This is $25, which is a really great deal for 3 new brushes. And I wanted to show you guys, I've been using Reshoevn8r for a very long time. These are the original brushes that used to come in their cleaning kits. I think this is the original brush from what I remember. So this is stiff bristle, which you can see I've absolutely worn these out. So it was nice to upgrade my brushes and not have to get anything else that I don't need. I've got plenty of cleaner, but I needed new brushes. So that is a great way to get it, guys. Just want to give them a special shout out for sponsoring today's video, and also inform you guys that there are some new products on their site. Click the link down in the description. That's my link. So just click that link if you'd like to shop Reshoevn8r, see what they've got. They got some great, awesome new products. And now let's go ahead and talk about these Nike SBs. I'll get these out of the way. These Nike SBs have yet to see a release in the United States. This pair is from Sneaker Knockers and they came from Europe. So they've already released in Europe, but they have not seen a US release date. And I don't know, honestly, if there is one set yet. I'm sure they will release this fall, but they have not set a release date on these yet. They're designed after the Jordan 1 Chicago. Obviously, the color blocking is so famous, especially after the Jordan doc earlier this summer. But this sneaker is one that's reselling right now for like $600 to $800, just depending on the size. And it's pretty high for an SB, you know, that's not like a big collab. So all the SBs that have been releasing, they have been reselling for a decent amount of money, but these are selling for more, and it's because of the color blocking. The Chicago color blocking is just so iconic. And so for them to use that same color blocking on a Nike SB, it's obviously going to draw a little bit extra attention, and the result of that is going to be a higher resale price. So right now these are going for like $600, $700, $800 on StockX at least, and that's so high to pay for a sneaker that retails just over $100. And so I'm super thankful for Sneaker Knockers passing these my way. Now I've sourced a lot of my early sneakers from Sneaker Knockers over the past few months, and it's a VIP Discord. It's $25 a month to join. And I did talk to them recently, guys. If you want to get in now, it's $25 a month. They're gonna be upping their price sometime soon. I don't know exactly when, but they're gonna be getting more and more exclusive sneakers. And so with that comes a little bit of an increase in price to be a member. But guys, you're gonna get an amazing value with all the early sneakers that you can get. So I just want to take a quick second, thank them again for getting me these sneakers. I'm super happy to be able to review these for you guys before they release in the United States. And honestly, the colorway in person is absolutely perfect. I thought the red might be a little bit off from some of the early pictures, but it looks spot on. The red looks absolutely amazing. The Chicago color blocking on the Jordan 1, I think that color blocking, which basically just means like where the colors are on the sneaker, I think that is the best color blocking for a Jordan 1. Like, it's absolutely perfect. You've got a color here, you've got the white paneling here on the side of the foot and on the toe box, and then you've got the little black accents all the way around with the black swoosh. It looks so perfect. I also like colored outsoles that match, so the outsole being red on these, just like the Chicago ones, I think looks absolutely perfect. Big fan of colored outsoles, also a big fan of black outsoles. Don't like the white outsoles on really any sneaker, whether it's a Jordan 1, an SB, whatever it may be. So I'm glad that they went with this standard Chicago color blocking on these SBs. You've got the Nike SB in red on the tongue. I think that looks absolutely perfect. Of course, this is an SB, so you've got that thick, puffy tongue, and then you've also got an alternative set of laces, white right here attached to the right shoe. Now these don't come with 3 laces like the Chicagos do, or I should say the Jordan 1s. These come with 1 set, so you've got black standard, which is true to the original, and you've got a white set here. Now there was also a red set, but unfortunately they don't come with that 3rd red set. You've got a Zoom Air insole here on the inside. I'll pull this out and show it to you guys. So you've got a red insole right there, and then you've got the little Zoom Air unit right there on the bottom side of the insole. Nike SB Zoom Air, you know, extra comfort for when you're skating. I'm sure there'll be some people that skate these. Probably 95% of the people won't skate these, but there'll be some people that actually use them for what they're made for. And so this is just a really nice sneaker. Like, is it going to draw a huge amount of hype? It's not going to, but I think it's just one of those necessities that you need to have in your collection if you like to collect SBs. I think you absolutely have to put your hands on these. Now, will the price come down? I don't think it'll come down anytime soon. I think the SB hype and Nike Dunk hype is just so high right now that these are not going to come down in value until the whole like trend dies, which eventually it will. It'll cycle through like a lot of sneaker trends do. So one day these might go down, but honestly by then they'll probably be so hard to find DS that you probably won't be able to get a good deal. So maybe I'd say like right now, like $500 would be a good price on a pair of these. If you wait until the US release, they'll probably drop a little bit more because they'll be more available. Right now, it's a very limited amount of stock that's available. And so if you wait, you might get lucky and be able to hit for retail on the US release. But guys, this is a really nice SB. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts. So go ahead and leave a comment down below if this is one that you want to pick up. If you're into collecting SBs, if you're trying to flip them, let me know down in the comment section below. Would love to interact with you guys. Now, this is a really nice, clean, simple colorway, and I know Nick is really into dunks. He's into SBs. What do you think about these, Nick?
I mean, they're all right, but there's countless other colorways that I would rather pick up than those.
Like the Strangeloves?
Yeah, especially the Strangeloves.
Guys, Nick is dying for a pair of Strangeloves. Size 11. If you want to hook him up, make his just year. His birthday's in November, so if anybody's got a pair of Strangeloves that they just don't want for some reason, hit Nick up because he is dying to get a pair. But these are honestly really nice. There are a few differences that I noticed on these, which is the outsole. Now the Jordan 1 does have the red outsole, but it's completely red here in the midfoot on the SB pair. You've got the white here in the center, and so that is something that's just a small difference compared to like the actual Jordan 1 outsole. The other thing I noticed that I already pointed out, but the insole's red. Now on the Jordan ones, it's not a red insole, it's white, and so that is something that's a little bit different that they changed up. But you do have the white tongue with the red tab up here at the top. That does match the Jordan ones, and then overall the color blocking is the same. You've got the black here, you know, kind of up there near the ankle collar, and then you've got the black on the back. And so overall I really do think they did a great job on these from Nike. The quality, I would say, is standard. It's not anything like real crazy, just a full leather upper, and I didn't expect any nice super high quality leather on these, but I'd say that it's not anything to be excited about. It's just a standard Nike SB leather, but the colorway is what everybody's excited about. The Chicago Colorway, I know I've said it 1,000 times, but it is such a classic, and it's just something that everybody gravitates towards because it reminds you of Michael Jordan, of his greatness. And so this is something that they could really put it over and over and over again. And a lot of people kind of like trash talk on Jordan because they just release the same thing over and over again, but it's really the nostalgia, the memories and things that people attach to sneakers, at least in my opinion. That's why people keep buying them, is because they like them, they like the aesthetic. I think Nike and Jordan brand have created the best sneakers ever. Like, I think it's the best sneaker brand that's out there as far as like silhouettes and colorways. They've had some really creative people design their sneakers over time, and so I think that's why people buy them. It's not for any other reason. It's they attach memories to this colorway, or they just like the way the sneaker looks, the way it feels, you know, things like that. That's why I buy them. I think Nike did a really great job on these, especially like the timing, having the huge dunk hype right now. They know that this is just a instant home run. Like, this is just so easy of a release for them, but I'm glad that they did it because it's going to be one that a lot of people will like to collect. I'm not the biggest SB guy, but I do have an appreciation for sneakers in general, so I think these are really sick. I know I've already seen a lot of people wearing them. They look awesome on feet, and I think the lace swap, I would personally do the white laces, just brighten them up a little bit. But honestly, this is a really great release, guys. Hopefully we get a nice US release here soon, and let me know down in the comment section below again, what do you think about these? Are these ones that you're looking to cop this year? Is it one of your best SBs of the year? I'm not sure. There's been some really crazy ones. The Strangeloves, I think, are probably on a lot of people's top list. The Grateful Dead's really, really nice. Travis Scott's, they're up there, but they're kind of getting overshadowed. Honestly, the Travis Scotts were like a really big collab at the beginning of the year, but now all these other ones I feel like are kind of like pushing the Travis Scotts down. So these will make it up there. I'd say it's definitely like a top 5 SB of the year, but is it a top 3? Is it the number 1? that's for you guys to decide. Let me know down in the comment section below. I also wanted to take a second and point out the hoodie that I have on. So I actually just got this in the mail recently. It's got Jordan shooting his famous shot in the Bred 4s, and this is actually from a guy, and his company name is Old School Rookie. So he's got it embroidered here on the sleeve. It's also got a really nice graphic on the back that I'll have Nick show you guys, but this is something he sent to me. It's super comfortable, like really nice quality hoodie. So I'll put a link to his website down below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.